Ramadan Mubarak to you all. It's just a blessing to be
Ramadan Mubarak. We are so happy to be here at Madinah Masjid of Carrollton serving Iftar to everybody today.
Ramadan Mubarak, guys. Ramadan Mubarak. Ramadan Mubarak. Ramadan Mubarak.
Happy Ramadan
Happy Ramadan and Ramadan Mubarak. Assalamu alaikum.
to all the Muslims, right?
Yes, sir. All
Thank you.
worldwide.
Everybody.
Well, it's graciousness of Mayor Babick, being part of this community, and for him to come out on this very special day. This is the first day of Ramadan, and for him to come out and distribute the iftar with his own hand and take selfie with the Muslim voters or the Muslim citizens of Carrollton, that shows his graciousness and that shows how he's connected with this community.
This is a great event. This is great charity, giving back, feeding these people.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Ramadan Kareem Mubarak. Alhamdulillah, this is the first day of Ramadan, and this is Babar Rahmani from Madinah Masjid of Carrollton, Dallas, Texas, and today is the first day of Ramadan.
को दिखाई दे रहा है. You can see the mayor of Carrollton is present with the people in Madinah Masjid of Carrollton, Texas.
Unfortunately, we have Mr. Mayor of Carrollton, Mr. Steve Babick. He is also distributing the food boxes. He is our chief guest today. So as usual, we always invite all the city officials in the month of Ramadan. Today is the first day of Ramadan 2023. Mayor of Carrollton, Mr. Steve Babick, he is distributing the food boxes, and every day Madinah Masjid distribute 500 food boxes. We request all of you, please, do attend with your family and receive the food boxes, and this is for the whole family. Hardworking, dedicated high school and college students, they are distributing the food boxes and Madinah Masjid of Carrollton.
Here with us is famous Steve Babick, the mayor of Carrollton, and today at Madinah Masjid Carrollton is being distributed 500 food boxes for Ramadan. So, sir, what is your message on the Ramadan and how you feel when you are so much in touch with the people of the Carrollton?
This is a great event. This is great charity, giving back, feeding these people. Ramadan Mubarak to you all. It's just a blessing to be part of this today.
We saw you yourself is distributing food and the people are taking selfie with you. So when you are very much connected with the people,
Yes.
what is your experience?
Yes, exactly. Again, selfies. A lot of people are recognizing me as we've been here year after year. But it's just such a blessing, like I said, that for what you all do here and feeding these people as you're preparing to break your fast and have prayer.
Especially when the people are hungry and when they need a food and when they have a food, they feel very happy, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. It's again, the fasting all day long. This is the time for prayer and to break fast.
And with us is Nadeem Zima. So Nadeem Zima, tell us that you are also with the mayor of Carrollton, Steve Babick, that how many food boxes you distributed today?
Well, it's graciousness of Mayor Babick, being part of this community, and for him to come out on this very special day. This is the first day of Ramadan, and for him to come out and distribute the iftar with his own hand and take selfie with the Muslim voters or the Muslim citizens of Carrollton, that shows his graciousness and that shows how he's connected with this community.
Today, the people will know the Steve Babick and the local official very much because they know that they got the food from their hand.
That is exactly the idea.
Exactly right.
That is exactly the idea, that we know our officials because they are the one representing us. They are the one that we need when whatever assistance that we need, whether that's on a personal basis or on business basis. And these are our officials. These are the people that we vote for. So it is better that we know them by face, we know them by name. And what good way is that to have them in a house of worship, for them to come out, show their graciousness, invest their time with the community. I think on both sides it's a win-win.
And we saw that especially the Muslim, especially the Pakistani community and the Asian community, they don't go and vote a lot. But this kind of activities bring them in politics, right?
Totally. I saw so many people telling me that I voted for you, and others I told them that make sure you vote for him next time.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is the place where we get connected. And again, I cannot thank Mayor enough, and I cannot thank Imam Babar Rahmani enough for arranging all this. And this is not his first time.
Right.
Mayor has been here before, so for him to invest his time in community, again, I cannot thank him enough.
Yeah. We saw this tradition in New York and other big cities that local officials are present in community events, especially on the month of Ramadan. They are very much in touch with the people. But in Dallas, we saw in Madinah Masjid taking an initiative.
This is a big initiative, no doubt about it. But I just want to, interject here, is that almost all big communities, all big masajids, the mosques, are initiating this. What's unique about in Islamic Center of Carrollton is how Mayor has made himself available.
Yes.
That has to be appreciated by the people of Carrollton, by the voters of Carrollton. I wish that we do the same thing in Frisco, in Plano, in Garland, in Dallas, in Richardson, and I hope that Mayor Babick has set a good example.
Yeah, we saw a bond between you and the people, right?
Absolutely. Look, this is a relationship. We have a relationship with these people. These are my people. These are our Carrolltonians, and we are here for you just as they're here for us.
Yeah. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you
इस
so
वक्त हमारे साथ सभा मौजूद हैं जो कि किसी तारफ़ की मोहताज नहीं, मदीना मस्जिद कैरल्टन हर रोज़ आपको जहाँ पे नज़र आएंगी। आज फर्स्ट रमज़ान मुबारक जहाँ पे मौजूद हैं। सबसे पहले तो ये उम्रा कर आई हैं, हम उनको उम्रा की मुबारकबाद देते हैं, आपको उम्रा की मुबारकबाद हो। जी आज की जो ख़ास तौर पे 500 बॉक्सेस अब डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रही है मदीना मस्जिद, थोड़ा सा बताइएगा आज की फूड ड्राइव के बारे में।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। हम लोग हर साल जो है वो पूरा महीना अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इफ़्तार करते हैं और 500 से ज़्यादा लोगों की इफ़्तार होती है। इंशाल्लाह इस साल हमारा इरादा है कि 600 प्लस को हम करेंगे। इतने ब्लेस्ड हैं कि ये स्कूल के बच्चे हैं, कुछ कॉलेज के बच्चे हैं और कुछ वर्किंग जैसे फीमेल्स हैं और मेन हैं, ब्रदर्स। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सब लोग टाइम पे आते हैं और विदाउट एनी कॉस्ट, विदाउट एनी फ़ी, विदाउट एनी कुछ भी नहीं हम लोग इनको देते। लेकिन माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह अल्लाह पाक इनको बहुत ज़्यादा ब्लेस करे। ये लोग हमेशा टाइम पे पहुंचते हैं और टाइम पे आके सारा काम करवाते हैं।
I am the Public Safety Director over Police and Fire.
So, Mr. X, tell us that you distribute almost a lot of food boxes with the people of the community in Carrollton. So, tell us how was your experience?
It's just an amazing experience just to see the joy on people's faces when they get the food and the water and breaking their fast, and you can just tell that they were very appreciative of what Madinah Masjid is doing for them and what you do for our community. So it's fantastic.
Especially it is a working day today and almost evening. You saw a large number of people from the last 2 hours and still we see a large number of line there. So and at this time, how you feel?
It is just amazing. The cars are as far as you can see, actually. It's just amazing the amount of people that are coming out. So it's obviously you're doing something right if you get this mega crowd that wants to come up here. So you're congratulations.
So, from today, the people will know the local officials very much because we saw the people are taking selfies with you guys and they were very happy that local officials are also here and they were feeling hungry and they got the food, they go home and eat the food, right?
Right, that's right. We have a wonderful relationship with Madinah Masjid and everybody here and our community. They're a part of our community, we're a part of you, and so we really appreciate your hospitality of allowing us to come here and actually participate in this. It means a lot.
And happy Ramadan.
Happy Ramadan and Ramadan Mubarak. Assalamu alaikum.
To all the Muslims, right?
Yes, sir. All
Thank you.
worldwide.
Well, thank you very much.